Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying what your hardware and OS allow. This matters because you will either emulate or use light isolation. First, create a disk image, sparse QCOW2 or RAW, so you can iterate quickly. Next, fetch the OS ISO and optionally a kernel plus initramps for paravirtual boot. Set up a network bridge or TAP device now so networking is ready. Once done, make a snapshot baseline. That way you can revert if the first trial fails and you need to change execution mode. Now you perform the core steps to run the VM-like environment without a hypervisor. Start with QEMU user mode or PROOT to translate syscalls. This provides process-level emulation. It is slower but avoids virtualization. Alternatively, use systemd nspawn or Docker with extra capabilities to approximate a full system. Bind mount /proc, /sys, and /dev and create a private network namespace. Make sure to map users and devices carefully so file ownership and device access behave. Finish by hardening and optimizing. Apply seccomp filters, drop capabilities, and use a read-only overlay plus a writable scratch layer to protect your base image. For performance, enable user space caching, tweak CPU affinity, and reduce sync frequency for non-critical writes. If something fails, check logs for missing syscall errors or permission denies. Often granting a single capability or mapping a device fixes it. If networking is broken, validate namespace routes and bridge MTU. One key tip: revert to the snapshot baseline before making broad changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.